Hello viewers, welcome to Audio with 360. Today I have this Philips radio for sale. The model is RL4450/94 portable radio. This is the first look of the box. This is open box piece, USB plus radio, all-rounder 3-band, FM, MW, SW is there, built-in battery is there, rechargeable battery. Controls are there to move the songs. Suno Man Ki Baat is written here. That's it. Let's see the product itself. So this is the radio. Look at the condition. Coming close up. This is the USB jack in. We'll give you the details. This is the back side. And this side nothing is there. The top side. This is the handle to carry. There is a previous and next for the song. If you plug the USB, play pause button is there. And this is the antenna at the top, very long antenna. Alright, here you can see the model RL4450 is written here. FM is there, MW is there, SW is there, USB is there, all-rounder with analog tuning and analog dial here. Philips branding is there at the top right. The Philips branding is there in the handle also. So now I'm going to tell the features first, then I will play the song and show you. I'm not going to play FM songs because that may give the copyright. So I'm going to play non-copyright song through through USB, so that you can come to know the quality of the radio. So you can see here, this is the analog display here. FM, MW, SW is there. I'm just turning on because this has built-in battery. This has on-off switch and volume control in one control. Alright, this is a display where you can see the band selection, and this is the tuning, analog tuning here, and this is the antenna which is very big. I'll show you by zooming out. You can see the antenna, it's going very long. Just taking it. This is the bigger antenna in this radio, very big antenna. On the back side you can see there is a DC input. You can play this through external DC 4.5 volts. Here you can insert, and this is the selection mode. You can select shortwave, FM, MW and USB. I'm going to select the USB here as of now to play the song here as well. And here you can see this side internal DC voltage. There is battery here inside, so that this radio will play through that. Alright, now this is the compartment of the battery. This is the R20 compartment. You can put 3 batteries of R20, the bigger ones. This can be played through that as well. The bottom here it is written Philips model number RL4450/94, 4.5 volt input, 1 watts is the power consumption. Alright, now it's time to play the song. I'm just going to insert this USB. It has few MP3, non-copyrighted MP3s. I'm just inserting here. That's it. Now I have inserted the pen drive. As of now, internal DC is selected, and here we have to select the mode, USB mode. I have pushed it. Now just by pressing this play button, sound will come.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna.
audio quality of the radio. Now one thing which you don't get in the box is the adapter here. There is no adapter or such to charge the battery, so that is a big problem. But with this I am going to give this cable, which I will show you here now. You can see this is the cable I am going to give you. So you can charge this speaker as well just by inserting here, and you can connect this to power adapter, that is mobile adapter, or you can connect this to your any power bank. It will start charging here, this one. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, this external is for these batteries. So since this has internal battery, you can play through that by pushing this the top like this, internal DC. And this one is to charge the device itself. You can charge this radio using this cable. It's as simple as that. You can connect this USB and insert this pin here. This will charge the mobile. Alright, let's wind up. You will get this radio and this cable here as well, not this power bank, these two things with the box. So if you are interested to buy this, you can do message to the above WhatsApp number given here, and for the price you can check the description and the title, or maybe in the thumbnail I will give the price. So alright, that's it for this video. I'm winding this up here. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.